Hi, this is Austin, developer with Little Sis. Today I'd like to take you on a tour of a new tool we just built to help you add entities in bulk to a list. So, first of all, I'm on a list page, a list of bigwigs, and as we can see, this list is empty. So I want to add many people and orgs that I have in a CSV spreadsheet to this list. So, first thing I'm going to do, click the Add Bulk button, and that will take us to this page where I have two options. I can upload a CSV if I already have one, or if I don't, I can download a sample CSV with the correct formatting. Okay, so if we look at this sample CSV, we can see it's got headers for name, primary extension, which must be org or person, and a blurb. So, and I can edit it. I want to simulate being sloppy, so I'm just going to sort of make a pretty dumb entry right there. We'll see what happens in a sec with that row. And I could enter in Walmart, which is an org, or Robert Rubin, which is a person, and then Robert McGuffison, who has a typo in the spelling of person, and we'll see what happens to that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save that. And okay, back to our upload page. I could upload what we just made, but I want to take a brief detour to show you what would happen if we uploaded an improperly formatted CSV. So let's just say, recall the headers on our correctly formatted CSV were name, primary extension, and blurb. So let's just say if instead of that I had foo and bar, what would happen? Well, let's see. If I upload that CSV, we'll see I get an error message, invalid headers required, name, primary extension blurb, provided foobar. Okay, that's very helpful. So now I could go back and fix my old CSV. But let's use the one we just made that we know works. Here we go. Gonna pop that in. Okay, and we've got a little bit of information now. First of all, we can see that I left my sample org and person in, and I actually don't want that. So I'm going to go over here, and I can delete those rows, which is very helpful. Cool. Now on to my X row. Now that doesn't look very good, but I've got an error message. So I'm going to mouse over, and I see, oh, name must be at least 2 characters long. Okay, let's try Z. Still doesn't like it. Let's see here, and it looks like that is because, oh, there's already something in the database named Z. So there's Xi Jinping. Okay, so let's go ahead and go with Xi Jinping. And turns out that's actually not the Xi Jinping that I want, and so I'm just going to go ahead and create a new entity named G, and okay, I can see here that I need to provide an entity type, so I'm going to say that Z is a person. Oh, and now I have another error which tells me, person name must have a first and a last name, so I'm going to actually say, okay, I'm talking about Juju, which is a great band. Okay, awesome. Tabbing through, I can see that I need to resolve duplicates from Walmart. So it looks like Walmart is already in the database, and I'm just going to use, yeah, that looks like it checks out. I can click through to confirm. Yes, this is in fact the Walmart I'm talking about, so I'm going to use the existing version of Walmart. And now we can see, unlike these other fields, which I can edit, once I've chosen an existing entity, I am not free to edit its fields. They are gray. Okay, cool. So Robert Rubin, let's see here. I'm just going to try plain old Robert Rubin, Robert E. Rubin. Yep, Treasury Secretary, that's the one I want. Boom. And this Robert McGuffison person, oh, Oh, right, that's right. I made that typo, so I'm going to get prompted to correct that. There we go. Is my friend from down the block. Cool. And now I think I'm done, so let's go to submit. I can't submit, and oh, that's because I haven't provided a reference. So we look at the name field. I need to provide a name. Got to be 3 characters. So this is just from Wikipedia. And let's say I gave a just sort of a weird URL. Okay, got to be a valid IP address. Wikipedia.com. Oh, still not valid, and that is because I must give HTTP. Okay, now we're good to submit. So we're going to go click on submit, and lo and behold, our formerly empty list now has 4 members. And there you have it. The new bulk add entities to list tool, brought to you by Little Sis.